Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I cook my spinach soup. The ingredients include 4 cups of baby spinach, 6 shiitake mushrooms sliced, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, and 1 white scallion bulk chopped. The sauce ingredients include 2 tablespoons coconut aminos, 1.5 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon vegetarian mushroom seasoning. Mix the sauce well. To cook, we first heat the sesame oil on medium. We saute the garlic, ginger, and the white scallion till fragrant. We add the shiitake mushroom. We fry the mushroom for 2 minutes. We add 4 cups of vegetable stock. We cover with the lid and we cook over medium-high for 4 minutes. Bring it to boil. Turn the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes. Add the sauce mix. Turn the heat up to medium. Add the spinach. Give it a good stir. Add the slurry. Boil till the spinach have wilted. Scoop the spinach soup in a bowl. Sprinkle sesame oil, green onion, and fried shallot. Serve hot. To enjoy noodle soup, cook noodle of your choice. And this is optional. You can blanch half to 1 cup bean sprouts. Set aside the noodle and bean sprouts in a big bowl. Scoop the hot spinach soup over the noodle and bean sprouts. Sprinkle the sesame oil, green onion, and fried shallot. Serve the spinach noodle soup hot. Hope you try out this recipe. Hope you enjoy. If you do, and thank you so much for watching the video.